My name is Breen Heath. I've been in the game development track for about 3 years now. I originally wanted to do animation and cartooning, so I've been working on my own cartoon series, and I thought gaming would actually be a great way to get myself more experience to be able to get a more rounded college education, because of course that's what it's all about, is being more well-rounded, being able to get touch in several different areas, while still being able to specialize in something specific. We go through a little bit of everything. Some of it is coding, which basically tells you about the function of the game, how to get characters to move, how to get them to do everything. Even when it comes to the animation of a character, you have to code it. Pretty much everything is based in code, and that's important to know, especially even if you're an artist. You go into every little aspect of it and touch on it, so that way you can be as prepared as possible when you go out into the field. It gives me a lot more open opportunities and open doors for the future. My interest is to become an artist of some sort. Being able to take this development track helps me to be able to have every opportunity possible for myself in the future. If I decide, hey, I don't like animation anymore, or I don't like this anymore, I can always come back to games, and games are really lucrative right now. Generally, I do like 30 drawings a day, and that's of everything, even the stuff that I don't like. If I don't like cars or something like that, I have to draw cars, because that'll help me with designs in the future. Knowing what a car looks like may help with a character design. Drawing props is actually a very lucrative industry now, especially for games, is that there's a lot of character artists, but there's not a lot of prop artists. So understanding how props work is extremely important, and then that's where modeling has come in, and Vicky actually teaches the modeling classes. And in those classes, especially in the modeling 2 in particular, she actually has an assignment to create a prop and then create a turnaround for it, which basically tells you this is it from the side view, this is it from the front view, top and bottom, and that helps you model it to be able to make it as close as possible to the actual design you created. One thing that I never knew is that when you go to a con like Comic-Con or San Japan or something like that, that's actually a great place to network. And I never understood that or even realized that until I actually went there with Vista. There are people out there looking for students, there are people looking for artists or character designers or anything. They're looking for people, if you have enough motivation, you can actually go out to do it. So I would say that's my most pleasant memory, I suppose, of this program, is because it showed me that there's a lot of different places to look for what you're passionate about, and there really isn't a point where you go, I don't know what to do, because there is always something.